All right. All right. Welcome back to the fucking shop. Today what we're doing is making some leaves for a railing project that I've been working on. So I'm working on this right now. Out of this bar of steel, just like this. First thing I did was put a point on the bar. Then I pinched it with my spring fuller tool. Then I spread the piece out. Material here, material here. Pound it into this leaf shape. Cut this off the bar. And now I'm gonna pound this down and stretch it out. And I turn this into this.